Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. Hope you people are doing good. Do you want to know about Ferrero review? If yes, then watch this video because in this video we are going to share unbiased review on this website. So let's check out the detail. Ferrero is a standard online shopping store. It offers a collection of fashion apparel and much more. Like you can get stylish dresses, bottom, tops, shoes, etc. As people from United States especially are very curious to know about the legitimacy of this website, so let's help us to share salient feature of this website. It is HTTPS secured website. They have mentioned their contact detail, email address and the physical address. As far as social media is concerned, they have not shared their social media account that are linked with website, which means no activity, no traffic and no publicity at all. It claims products like floor care, furniture, garden items, top, bottom, dresses, shoes, etc. They have multiple payment method. If you do not like the product, you can return within 30 days of your purchase. Within 14 days of return, you can receive the amount in your bank. Estimated delivery time is about 10 to 22 days. The positive point of the website are all the reaching modes or communication medium has been mentioned. It holds the latest item with all the description point. The website is fully secured because it has security certificates. The negative point of the website are we found user reviews on verified portal and these are all negative reviews. There is no activity on social media portal. It has 1% of trust index score. The website is not complete. It's 3 months in the market yet. It was launched on 27th July 2021, where the portal mentioned that it was established on 2018. They are not providing discount coupon to their customers. If you order above $50, you can enjoy free shipping. The official address is visible on portal but not visible on Google Map. Here question come in our mind, is Ferrero legit or a scam? So let's share some more parameter. As we discussed, it was created on 27th July 2021, just for 1 year. It will expire soon on 22nd July 2022. The trust index score is 1% and trust rank is 27.6. It claims different types of product including outfit, furniture, etc. They have not shared the honest detail. The reviews are unfavorable, available on Trustpilot. 0 Alexa ranking have been linked with this website. All the communication ways have been mentioned, but the company address is not correct. The content is copied from other websites. No social media pages have been linked. There is no sale running. As we all know that customer reviews are a huge help for us to decide about the legitimacy of the site. So Ferrero is the attractive podium for the online shopping lovers, as it has shared an image of items that look classy, such as furniture, garden items and so on. On Trustpilot, people wrote few lines about the website. According to them, the phone number is fake, products are not received and very bad communication. Nevertheless, it secured 2.6 out of 5 rating. So in our final wording, we can say that the website was launched on 27 July 2021. It has horrible trust index score, below average trust rank, negative reviews on verified podium, fake official address and wrong telephone number make this website suspicious. So we are not recommending you at all to buy anything from this store. And if you have a personal experience, please share your views and experience right in the comment box. We love to hear from you.